Another beautiful spring day. Time for some fresh air and cleaning. Everyone, I have an idea. Let's do spring cleaning today.
Spring cleaning? That sounds like a big job, sweetie.
Morning, Mom. What's for breakfast?
Can I keep playing with my car?
But Mom, cleaning is so boring.
Do we have to?
But what if I told you the attic is full of forgotten treasures?
Treasures? What kind of treasures?
Wow! Are there toys up there?
All right, team. Let's see what we can find up there.
That's the spirit. Together we can do this. We need boxes for sorting, keep, donate, and throw away.
I'll get my backpack for collecting things.
I'm the cleaning king. Watch me tidy up everything.
Look, Mom, I'm cleaning like Daddy.
Come on, Anna. It's safe. I'll hold your hand.
Okay, Mom, it's really dusty up there. Oh my goodness, look what I found! Bun-Bun, I thought I lost you forever.
You slept with Bun-Bun every single night for 3 years.
I remember now. He was my best friend.
My space station blocks. I built this all by myself.
You spent hours building this. You were so focused and creative.
Look at these. Here's your mom when she was your age.
Oh, I remember that day at the beach.
Mommy, you look so happy in this picture. I made this for you and Daddy. See? That's our family.
I kept this in a special box. It was my most precious treasure.
Look at this old game. Can we play it?
And these storybooks? Can we read them tonight?
But I want to keep all of these. They're all so special.
Now we need to decide what to do with our treasures. Here are 3 boxes. Red is for donating, blue for keeping, green for things we can throw away.
This broken toy can't be played with anymore. Bye-bye.
But what if I want to play with these again? They're my space station blocks.
But I love Mr. Bear. I can't give him away.
These toys made us happy. Now they can make other children happy too. Sharing is caring.
When I was Jack's age, I gave my old bike to a neighbor. Seeing that boy ride it made me so happy.
Here you go, little toys. I hope other kids love you like I did.
I can build new things with new blocks. These can make someone else happy.
Miss Cindy's school is collecting toys for families who need them.
The kids at Cindy's school will have so much fun.
Yeah, it's like giving presents to strangers.
Brown, can you organize the heavy boxes on the high shelves?
On it. Let me show you how it's done.
This box is heavy. Who's been saving rocks?
Careful, honey. Those are my old books. Let's put the picture books together. These are for reading with pictures.
I love picture books. They're the best.
Look, everyone, I'm making this into a work of art.
Wow, that's amazing, buddy. It's like modern art.
The donation box is ready for Miss Cindy.
I hope the kids love our toys.
These are our most precious memories. We'll keep them safe.
Careful on the stairs, one step at a time.
I'm coming. Don't start the celebration without me.
Now let's make this room sparkle too. Who wants to vacuum?
Vacuuming is like eating dirt. Watch it go in.
Look at this room. It's so bright and clean now.
Hello, come in.
Hello, everyone. I heard you have something for my school. My, what a wonderful job. You must have worked so hard together as a family.
What did you learn today, Anna? What about you, Jack?
I learned that sharing makes others happy. Giving away toys can make kids smile.
I learned that keeping things organized helps us find what we need.
That's wonderful. You've learned important lessons today.
Thank you for helping today. I'm so proud of you both.
Thank you for teaching us, Mom.
Best spring cleaning ever.
I think this calls for a family celebration. Who wants pizza?
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Yay! I love pizza night.
Let's have a picnic right here in our clean, beautiful room.
May I join you? I'd love to celebrate with your family.
Here's to spring cleaning and family time.
Cheers!
Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.